Let me tell you why we have created Urban Sketch Course, okay, our thinking behind it. What we want to do is empower you, okay, we want to teach you skills, break down the process, show you how to use the different materials, how to capture composition, perspective, colour theory, all that kind of thing. But at the same time, we want you to run with these and go and explore yourselves, tell your own stories. So we're empowering you so that you can go off and you can be better at being you. Not at being me. I will teach you, I will guide you, but ultimately we want you to be better at you, going out there and doing your own thing, capturing your own stories, okay? Finding your own inspiration, but knowing how to do it by using all the skills and all the techniques that we are teaching you. And ultimately, that brings happiness. You know, it's really good for you. It's good just to go off there, discover the world, capture it in a sketchbook. Capture the things that you see around you in a line, capture it in a tone, capture it in a colour, because all those things are so good for you.